Cap 26 here, just do just repairs and hobbies, and we got a Frigidaire AC right here, and we're gonna go in here on the handle, and we're gonna pull the filter out. I'm gonna clean that filter. It's pretty clean, but we'll take it over the sink and go over it. So if it's black, your screen with mold, you want to use some Dawn, and you want to pour the Dawn on there, on the screen, evenly, like this. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, okay? So you can also work it in with a sponge, like this. And it's gonna clean only where the Dawn is. So you gotta use a lot of it, you know? You may have to do this a few times. Put that over there like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the hot water on. Hopefully you have nice hot water. Run it for a while. Take your sprayer and spray and clean the filter like this. Okay. That'll disinfect it. Make sure you get it nice and clean. See how it's clean right there? See the spots where it actually cleaned the filter? See right there? So, you know, it was a little bit dirty. You know, see it? You just keep going over it. Like that. See that? So the Dawn got rid of the mold. So, got some steam there. You see that? That's what I want to show you. So use Dawn to clean your AC filters. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.